Consider how typing names on the internet can earn you up to $400 per day. I mean, how cool is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. As you can see, typing a single page of names can earn you $15, 5 pages can earn you up to $75, and typing 20 pages per day can earn you $300. The best part is that there are no rules. You can just type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or computer, and it's completely free and available worldwide. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually quite difficult and most people get it wrong. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to know how to make money online the easiest way. And smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, let's get right into the video. Let's get back to the video. By using the calculator on this website, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new opportunity. Take note of the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can earn per word typed. In this case, 0.5 is in US dollars, and one page typically contains around 300 words. For example, on each of these pages, type the name of the project. Here is page number 1, and this type the name project right here is page number 2, and then this type the name project right here is page number 3. You can earn money simply by entering names. Now, let me show you where you can truly get paid $15 for writing 300 words on this page. As I scroll down, I observe that there are 300 names in total, so you can earn $15 for 300 words per page by simply typing names on this website. This is a fantastic way to make money. At a rate of 15 pages per day, we can receive up to 20 pages per day. This means that typing names on this website can easily earn you $300 or even $400 per day. First, I'd like you to visit this website, talentdesire.com. Earn money online without investing from the comfort of your own home, and this is a completely free opportunity. To get started, you don't need to invest any money, and as you scroll down, you will notice that they offer a variety of work from home opportunities, including online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, and paid online surveys. There are many different jobs you can do, but in this video, we will focus on online typing jobs because it's one of the simplest things you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or technical skills at all. Take a look at this now. Earnings range from $13,500 to $27,000 per year. In terms of joining fees, you can see here that registration is completely free and that there are no hidden cards before or after joining. So we never really ask about your investment at any point. This is a completely free and worldwide opportunity, and you can see right here that depending on your level, you will be paid different amounts of brick, ranging from beginners to experts. You can see that even if you are a complete beginner, you can get paid even if you're not at the expert level. Here's the first bonus tip. By simply entering names into a search engine, it can help you earn a higher rate. Now, please visit the rototype.com website. This is essentially the website's homepage where you can take a free typing test. Following that, I'd like you to click on the yellow icon right here, which will take you to this page where you can begin typing on your phone or computer. And I'd like you to take a speed typing test so that you can get a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free, and you need it because it will increase your income and earning rates per page. For example, if you want to earn 15 points for each page you type, make sure you obtain the certificate. This is the ultimate secret because you will have the certificate to prove to them that you can type, even if you are completely new. You will be accepted much more quickly and will have access to more high-paying tasks as well as an unlimited number of job opportunities. Having said that, typing names will allow you to earn $300 or even $400 per day. So once again, keep an eye on the screen to learn how to obtain the certificate and finish your application on talentdesire.com. When you begin typing on this website, it will calculate your word per minute rate as well as your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling or typing errors. As you can see, your precision should be between 98 and 99.99%. The more accurate you are, the more money you will make, and you can demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy by taking a typing test and obtaining a certificate from this website, which will quickly increase your payout rate. Don't be concerned if your accuracy is less than 98%, because you can return to rottotype.com and take the typing test for free until your speed or accuracy improves. By the way, if you're learning a lot from this video, smash that like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. When you've reached a satisfactory outcome, you can sign up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on this link right here. By entering your name, email address, and password, you can create a free account. So, after you've agreed to the terms and conditions, click the yellow sign up button. When you scroll down and click on the certificate, you will notice that it says awarded to your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the rottotype.com signature to confirm that the certificate is genuine. This certificate will be very useful to you, and you could be paid at a much higher rate. When you scroll down again, you will find a print button right here, but don't worry, you can do it on your own computer or smartphone as well. All you have to do is view your certificate's image or save it as a PDF file. Simply press the save button and we'll go to talentdesire.com once you get the certificate so you can start applying for jobs. When you reach the bottom of this website, click the red Apply Now button and you will then be redirected to this page where you can begin applying for jobs. Then, just scroll down to see what's available and select an application. After that, we will go to this page where you can apply for work-at-home jobs online by clicking on this red link right here. I want you to scroll down and look for this redneck who says to fill out your information in order to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, watch the video again because you can bookmark or save it to your playlist to watch later. When you get to the bottom of this page, you will notice that you'll be filling out your personal information. Accepting the privacy policy is the first step, following by entering your first and last name, email address, phone number, and country. And on the right, click the down arrow. They accept people from all over the world, including India, Nigeria, the Philippines, the UK, the United States of America, and Pakistan, among others. Moving on to the next stage, this is essentially about your professional information, and it is a critical section that many people miss. Now, I want you to enter your job title in the job title section, making sure to type it exactly like this one and then select the best time for you. Then, right here, click the down arrow and you can choose whenever you want, but I recommend all day because it will provide you with more options and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then, using the down arrow, choose the best method for receiving your earnings: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Scroll down to see and select your current professional status. Once you've completed all of the fields, click Yes, I've read and accept the above statement. And don't forget to sign your name. Simply enter your full name here, click I'm not a robot, and then click the submit button. Once accepted, you will begin receiving typing jobs like this one where you can earn $15 for just 300 words. This is only for one page, followed by another $15 for the second page, another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for each page you type, but make sure you submit your work on time if you want to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell and smash that like button and leave a comment down below.